Welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to be learning how to make paper airplanes because some of you out there, you were kind of asking me, Landon, Landmine, how do I make a paper airplane? So today, we're going to be teaching you. Disclaimer, no one actually asked me that. That was a lie. This is all for content. And don't take it personally. So, yeah. Okay, what you first want to do is you want to grab a notebook. Any type of notebook. Okay? Alright, and then you want to flip over, because who cares about notes? Flip over that, and flip it one more time. And you get your paper airplane making material. And so you want to just rip this page out. And then what we want to do is just throw this book away because no one cares about it. And then so you see all these dots and lines. You want to just fold right there where that dotted little line is. Then you just want to rip. Alright, this is gonna take a while. Yeah, I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so we now have this ripped. This ripped. The little things. So now, what we want to do is, you know how, we want to make this thing fly, right? So we gotta give it some aerodynamics. It's gonna be great. I've never made a paper airplane upside down before, but we're gonna try, because that's what this is all about, is trying. So you want to just make a little thing here. Hold on. Make these two things, you want to bring it together so that they're equally lined up. Okay. Alright, good enough. Now what you want to do is, you guys can't really see that well. I'm just going to bring the thing down just a little bit more. Right there. Should be good. Alright, so you guys can now see this all right here. So now what you want to do is take this stupid thing, fold this little piece, fold this to that. So you want to do it like that. Ever so gently, just fold it like so. You want to just fold it like that. Alright? Yeah. Good. We are good. So now we want to do the same thing to the other side. So we're just gonna get this in there and just good. So now what we want to do is, since this is all good, we want to fold it again. But this time we're going to fold it this corner to that corner. So let's do it. I'm having some trouble. Don't worry, it'll all be fine. Successful. We have done it. We have folded that to there. And now what you want to do is grab this corner. Grab this corner of the paper. See this? See that? Yep. Folded. Yep. Good. So you want to grab this. Fold it to here. Alright. Wow. Amazing. And you want to do this to the next side. It's like, let's say about like that. Wow. Amazing. So now we want to just make sure it's good. And then we want to write our names on it. So I'm going to write my name right here. Alright. Landmine. Alrighty. You have successfully made a paper airplane. Now, we want to test it out. Let's try it. Let's try it out. Amazing. Awesome. Let's try it again. Who knew aerodynamics could be so fun? Yeah. And that's how you make a paper airplane. Yeah, it's kind of bent and stuff, so it's kinda good to go. So, yeah. And then when you're done with it, guess what? They're disposable. Who would have known? So we can just, if we feel like it, we don't want to use it anymore, we can just, just do this and crush it off, and then just, who cares about it anymore? It's gone. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed how to make a paper airplane, and hope you learned something new. So, yeah, stay safe, stay healthy during the coronavirus pandemic. Boom, amazing. And stay fit, stay safe, and I love you guys. Bye.